Hey, good afternoon and welcome back to the shop here at New Traditions here in cold Somerset, Indiana. It is, I think, 15 degrees outside or something like that. It's been very, very cold, and I got tired of being cold, so I put on my Carhartts and I'm in the shop today. I wanted to reveal as to you guys as well as to myself this ukulele. I believe this is 247 under here. Myrtle back and sides and a Port Orford cedar top. So I thought I would take these clamps off so that we could all see it at the same time and see how the body turned out. Now we still have to put the binding on. We need to cut the binding channels, put the binding on, and then the neck is already made, but it hasn't been fit yet to the instrument. So we'll cut the binding channels, we'll do the put the binding in, then work that down where it's good and level and finish off the body, and then we will go ahead and get the neck attached. Probably sometime next week this will be an ukulele. That's my hope anyway. It's incredibly busy here right now. We're just filling orders and still taking orders. If you have a desire for a handcrafted dulcimer or a tenor ukulele or a soprano ukulele. Alright, so here it goes. So all the clamps are off. So this is my number 247 Port Orford cedar top. It's a quilted Port Orford cedar top. Oh, there we go. That's pretty. Oregon myrtle sides, black walnut graft here, and look at that beautiful grain. Port Orford or myrtle back and stack with a black walnut strip down the middle. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then, of course, once again, our Port Orford cedar top. Now these woods, these woods are reclaimed. So the fellow that gets me this wood, he's in Fresno, California, and he goes up to the old timber stands in southern Oregon and northern California and finds these old trees that are either going to end up in a landfill or just end up rotting, period. Also the rosette here is the same myrtle from the back. He'll go and reclaim these woods and work them down to instrument grade, master grade woods, and then sends them to me, and then I take them a step further. Now, working with these woods, it's a little bit more difficult than the standard off-the-shelf type of wood that you'd get at any other hardwood distributor like Hibbins or any of those other places that just sell lumber. So it takes more time to coax these woods into these beautiful, beautiful instruments. Just gorgeous wood. And once the finish is on this Port Orford cedar, it will just shine. And you'll end up with little, they're not flaws, they're just kind of character building here. These little spaces where the wood is got these little flaws to it. Sometimes there will be pinholes in the myrtle. Not in this case, but sometimes there will be. Like I said, it just takes more time, it takes more energy, and that kind of is one of the main reasons that the New Traditions artist ukuleles tend to be more expensive, because of the rarity of the wood and then the extra time that it takes to work the wood into a beautiful, beautiful instrument like this. It will have a hand-carved mahogany neck. The head plate on the neck will be myrtle wood, like from the same back, and it will have peghead tuners which I really love, and it'll also be partnered with a gator hard shell case. Yeah, beautiful instrument. I'm just sorry, whenever I haven't seen this since I put it in the clamps, so it's nice and parallel. It's got a beautiful radius on the back, a very nice radius on the back. So it'll be ready to go pretty soon. The other thing that I'm working on right now here at the shop is, let's see here. This is number 867. This is dulcimer number 867. Koa, and this is really special koa to me. This koa was brought to me by some good friends out here in the Wabash area, the Lundquist family, who visit Hawaii often. And the last time, or the couple times ago when they were out there, they brought me back a beautiful stash of koa. And I've built for them a couple of ukuleles. I built a dulcimer for them, and this is still wood from that stash. I'm going to miss it when it's gone, and it's almost gone. I have enough for 869, which is what this is, and 868, I believe, is the other, which will be an hourglass. But this is the teardrop, and here's I'm putting a Sitka spruce top on these. This is a really nice fine grain Sitka spruce top from Alaska, of course. 25-inch vibrating string length. Here is the fingerboard. Fingerboard overlay is I just spaced out what the fingerboard overlay is. The back fingerboard is maple wingate. Sorry, and I put abalone position dots in here. Since the wood is from Hawaii, I thought maybe abalone would kind of add to it. So this is number 869, and it'll look something like that. Of course, the tail end will be on there soon. But I'll fret this fingerboard today and get it attached to the soundboard, and then the soundboard will be attached to the body of 869 sometime tomorrow, and it will be a dulcimer real soon. The other thing that's in the pipeline is this is number 248. This is a pistachio back and sides. This will be another tenor. This one will be beautiful pistachio from pistachio orchards of Central California. Same thing, reclaimed. Otherwise, this wood would have been burned. My buddy goes in and gets these pistachio stumps and pistachio limbs and trees and mills it into beautiful instrument wood. Beautiful, beautiful. And that will also have a Port Orford cedar top to it. So that's about it from snowy and cold, cold Somerset, Indiana. I can't think of anything else that is exciting and going on. The garlic's coming up, which is nice. It's snow covered right now, but you can see the green leaves of the garlic that's pressing up here on the homestead. The goats are doing great. The chickens are producing lots of eggs. So life is good here at New Traditions. Until next time, Lord bless you guys. See ya.